So let's revise periodic table as your exams are coming closer. Here are the most important points we are going to study. The periodic table is very easy chapter. So you have to keep some few things in mind when you are answering. This is just a revision. So main points we are going to discuss, which you have to keep it in mind. Always the modern periodic law. Write the correct definition. Don't miss out any keyword. Like the definition of periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. Instead of atomic number, if you write atomic mass, then your answer will be wrong. Likewise, how to write that what are the vertical groups? You already know that groups are present in the periodic table, and these are the vertical columns. You should, when you are learning it, you should make a sign vertical column so that you don't make a mistake. They are 18 in number and they are number 1 to 18. I will prefer that you should not write 1A, 1B because these may confuse to you. So better it is to take 1 to 18 numbers. And what is the basic of the groups? They are based on the same valence electrons. Then which type of elements? All the elements in the same group will have same valency, same type of ions and same chemical properties. Then we have the another property, which is the metallic character. What is metallic character? It is the tendency to lose electrons, and it depends upon the two things, nuclear charge and atomic size. Atomic size will increase, the tendency to lose the electrons will, the elements will be able to easily lose the electrons because the effective nuclear charge will decrease. And as we go down, this nuclear charge decreases due to the atomic size increases, and because of that the metallic character as we go down in a group will increase. When you are writing about the metallic character, don't forget to write we are going down. Okay, top to bottom it will increase. And the non-metallic character, it is opposite to the metallic character. It is a tendency to gain the electrons, and it also depends upon the nuclear charge and atomic size. And as we go down in a group, what will happen? The nuclear charge will decrease due to the increase in the atomic size. So what will happen to the non-metallic character? It will decrease because metallic character is already increasing. So the new non-metallic, it is opposite, so it will decrease. Now we come to the some important definitions which you have come across the periodic table. First is the ionization potential. Ionization potential, it is the energy. It is the energy required to remove an electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom to convert into a cation. This you have to keep it in mind. Potential energy, ionization potential, it is the energy required to remove an electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom to convert into cation. It also depends upon the two things, atomic size and nuclear charge. Atomic size will increase, so the nuclear charge will decrease. It will become easier to lose the electrons. So when we go down in a group, the ionization potential will decrease. And when we move in a period, always when you are mentioning the period, you should always mention left to right. So the ionization potential, when we move from left to right, it will increase. The second most important property is electron affinity. It is the definition which is opposite to the definition of ionization potential. So instead